Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brady. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Happy birthday, Brady. Brady, look. Brady, look. Balloons?
Brady, you want to blow out your candle?
Oh,
No. You don't want to? Brady. Do you want to blow out your candle? No.
Brady, you got a candle.
Do you want to go?
What that?
I'll do it.
Okay. Oh, good job.
Happy birthday, bud.
Okay.
Happy birthday.
Dada, why you give me this blue?
It's your birthday.
Oh, I can eat it.
Not the balloon, the muffin.
Mama, you gotta get this out of the. You gotta get these spoons out of my bed.
I do.
Yeah, let's get these out of my bed.
Okay, you help.
You be sure me get. You get this one out of the bed. No, you get this one out of.
Have Bruno do it. Bruno, up.
You wanna get this one out of bed and this one out of bed and.